The Segway Discovery MaxPlus is the Max Series premier e-scooter. The MaxPlus offers industry-leading safety, reliability, and comfort, all with simple and effective operation and robust built-in IoT. Weighing 27.5 kilograms, the MaxPlus features a sturdy aluminum alloy chassis and no exposed cabling to eliminate safety concerns. An easy-to-use battery compartment cover for the scooter's swappable battery pack opens at any angle and retracts automatically. And anti-theft battery cover design that promotes best-in-class security. It also provides independent left and right brake levers for a safer ride, with the left controlling a front-wheel drum brake and rear electronic brake, and the right controlling a rear drum brake and rear electronic brake. The MaxPlus also offers a built-in theft-proof bell and an integrated smart dashboard. Built-in secure IoT integrated with the dashboard helps the MaxPlus offer abnormal situation alarms through data collection and analysis and rich API capabilities, all in a device that's incredibly secure and safe from vandalism. A dual kickstand allows for better stability over uneven terrain, while a dual suspension with a front shock absorber provides a comfort ride. Finally, a 350-watt motor gives riders a powerful, steady, and smooth ride both uphill and downhill. A 36-volt, 551-watt-hour lithium battery can provide a 55-kilometer or 34.2-mile single range. The most comfortable, reliable, and efficient shared scooter, MaxPlus, is ready for you. To learn more about how the MaxPlus delivers unprecedented value to scooter sharing operations, contact Segway Discovery today.